Hello, this is lesson 16 for 3rd grade. Today we'll start by writing the time of these clocks. So number 1 we have, so this is the shorthand. Okay, let's do color red. This is the shorthand, and then this is the longhand. And so that's how you know that the shorthand will be the hours, and the the longer hand, which is circled in blue, is the minute hand. So let's look at number 2, since we covered this one with our marks. So number 2, we have the hour hand at 2. That means it's 2 o'clock. And the minute hand is at 12. And that means every time the number moves 1 over, it's 5 minutes for the minute hand. So if we go all the way around and we reach here, it'll be exactly 60 minutes. And when it reaches 60 minutes, we go back to time 0. So that means it's 2 o'clock, because it exactly went for the hour hand, it went from 1 to 2, which is 1 hour, and on the minute hand, it went from 12 all the way back to 12, so that means it's 2 o'clock. Number 3, we have our hand at 10, and our hand is at 12 again, which means it's just 10 o'clock exactly. And the rest of these are the same. Next, read or write the time continued. Okay, let's just do 2 more. Number 8, we have a hand at 3 o'clock, and our hand is at 3 o'clock, and our minute hand is at 12, so it's 3 o'clock. Oops. Okay. Let's go to number 12. So both our hands are pointing at 12. That means for the hour hand, it's 12 o'clock. For the minute hand, it's been 60 minutes, so which means we start at 0, so 12 o'clock. Next, find the missing numbers. So how many hours equal a day? And you know 24 hours. Number 2, 2 weeks equals how many days? So 1 week is 7 days, so that means 2 weeks. 7 times 2 is 14. Number 3, 1 year equals how many months? It's 12 months. Let's skip to number 6. How many minutes are in 2 hours? So in 1 hour, there's 60 minutes. So in 2 hours, that's 60 times 2, which is 120 minutes. And the rest of these are the same. Lastly, we have word problems. Number 1, Gina went on a trip for 2 weeks and 3 days. She left on July 11. When did Gina return? So July 11, and 2 weeks means 14 days. And let's add these extra 3 days, and we get 17 days altogether. So we just have to add July 11 plus 17 days, and we get 28. So she returns on July 28. Number 2, brown bears will hibernate for up to 7 months in a year. How many months are they not hibernating in a year? So there are 12 months in a year. So that means if they hibernate for 7 months, we'll subtract it from 12, and they'll be they will not be hibernating for 5 of the months. Okay. Number 3, Miss Green went on a vacation from August 4 to August 25. How many weeks was her vacation? So, so from August 25 to August 4 to August 25. So what we'll do, we'll subtract August 25. We'll subtract August 4 from August 25 minus, and we get 5 minus 4 is 1, and bring that 2. So that means so since they want to know weeks, for this one, we know 21 days. So she was on vacation for 21 days, but how many weeks is 21 days? So we know 7 days equals 1 week. So that means we have to divide 21 days by 7 to get 3. So that means her vacation was 3 weeks long. Lastly, number 4, Maria started her art project on October 1st. She worked for 3 weeks and 4 days. When did she finish? So we will convert the 3 weeks to days. So 3 weeks equals, like we saw here, it's equal to 21 days. And then we have the extra 4 days. So she worked on it for 25 days. And so if she started on October 1st, then if we add the 25 days to October 1st, we get 26 days. 26. So that means she finished on October 26. Okay, we have a little time left, so we can go back to this one. Let's see. Okay, number 4 maybe. 4 weeks equals how many days? So 7 days in a week times 4. 4. And we will get, can you guess? 28. So 28 days. Okay, 2 years equals how many months? So 12 months in 1 year. So 12 times 2 means 24 months in 2 years. Number 7, 48 hours in how many days? So 48, so we know 24 hours in a day. So if we subtract 48, if we divide 48 divided by 24, then we get 2. So that means 48 hours means 2 days. Okay, thank you for watching.